And walang ibang President of Munchen Corp. Tawagin ko na po si Mr. Cel Calika. Hi, Mr. Cel! Good morning. Happy 8724 day po. Nakamute po yata kay Miss... Hi! Ayan. Ay, okay na po.
Alright.
Okay na.
Good morning everyone. Good morning telepreneurs, to our Smart and TNT partners as well. Welcome to this much awaited 8724 TPC Day po natin. No? So again, to our TPC BODs, to Sir Lawrence, kung kanina po nagsalita, no? So si Ma'am Mariel, si Sir Santi, si Sir Leo, and si Miss Anna. And of course, to our, again, no, to marketing and ID staff po ni TPC. Hello, good morning everyone. So we are all delighted to celebrate this occasion as we mark 8724's 9th year anniversary. So sobrang special po ng araw na to kasi nga as Sir Lawrence or Mayor Lawrence mentioned earlier po, no? So the 8724 is actually sakto po siya today, but 8724, it's August 7, 2024. So meron lang po akong konting trivia, no, na i-share sa inyo. So sa mga hindi po masyado nakakakilala sa akin, so bago po ako maging part or maging nanay press ng Munchen, I was also a part of Smart mo. So I was working with Smart. And isa po ako sa mga salarin kung bakit po nagkaroon ng 8724. No? So as Sir Lawrence mentioned earlier po, ito po yung pinaghirapan at pinag-isipan po talaga namin para maibigay sa inyong lahat. So just a quick background po, I think meron pong na-share si TPC before na picture on na-share sa social media na Facebook page. No? So if you will notice, as I mentioned po, since 2015, ito po yung ginawa namin. So, makikita niyo po ako dyan, spot the difference. Sa left side po ako po yung naka-blue na babae na gumaganyan. So, that was 9 years ago and maybe 9 pounds din po ako ago that time. No? So, if you will recall po that 8724 po was relaunched noong December 2015, and as I mentioned po, together po with our Smart partners and TNT partners mo, no, kami po yung nag-create para po maibigay sa inyo yung 8724 na access code para po makatulong sa inyong loading business. So again, on behalf of Munchen po, no, I would like to congratulate again TPC and the whole team for the success of the 8724 access code, and para po patuloy po natin siyang gamitin para po sa ating loading business. And again, congratulations and mabuhay po kayong lahat.